Next one is next class with alkyl halide. Sorry. Next B is there allylic halide. Allylic halide. Allylic halide. So halogen atom sp3 carbon atom attached. That is one classification. Compounds containing sp3 carbon atom. Halogen atom is attached to carbonate should be sp3 carbon. That is alkyl halides. Another classification allyl alkyls. The compounds which halogen atoms. The compounds which the halogen atom. The compounds which the halogen atom bonded to an sp3 hybridization sp3 hybridized carbon atom and attached to carbon double bond. Very important this. The compounds which the halogen atom bonded to an sp3 hybridized carbon atom. See here, halogen atom is attached to sp3 carbon atom and immediately next to what? Carbon double bond. So remember, very important. Allylic halide means the compounds which the halogen atom is bonded to an sp3 hybridized carbon atom attached to carbon double bond. Double bond. The compounds which the halogen atom bonded to an sp3 hybridized carbon atom attached to immediately. Whenever halogen atom is attached to sp3 carbon only, that carbon should be attached to sp2 carbon. That means immediately whenever see example, then such type of compounds is called allylic halides. I will write one example. Very important allylic halides. How to identify allylic halides? The compound is alkyl halide or allylic halide. How to identify? It is very important role in further chemical reactions. Allylic halides. You should know what is the alkyl halides, what is the allylic halides. So many classifications is there. Allylic halides, how to identify? Whenever halogen atom is attached to sp3 carbon atom, that sp3 carbon attached to immediately carbon double bond. That means sp2 carbon. See, I will write here example CH2 double bond CH2 X. Okay. See here, halogen atom attached to sp3 carbon only. Already we discussed. This is the what is the classification? Compounds containing sp3 carbon halogen bond only. So sp3 carbon and this carbon is sp3, but this carbon is sp2 carbon atom. Very important. See, allylic halides, how to identify? Very important. Allylic halide means what? If halogen atom attached to sp3 carbon atom, this carbon is attached to sp2 carbon atom. Is called allylic halide. So this carbon is known as allylic carbon. Simply, allylic carbon. Position. This carbon position name is allylic carbon. So halogen atom attached to sp3 carbon atom. This carbon immediately attached to sp2 hybridized carbon. This hybridization sp2 carbon. Correct, man? So how many sigma bonds? CH2 CH1. CH2 double bond CH. This is CH. So this is sp2 hybridization. 3 sigma bonds. So this hybridization should be sp. Halogen atom attached to sp3 carbon atom. This sp3 carbon atom attached to sp2 carbon atom. This molecule is known as allylic halides. This carbon name is called allylic carbon. So another example is say cyclic ring I will take. This is also allylic halide. How to identify? This is hybridization. Carbon hybridization is what? sp3 hybridization. Immediately it is attached to this carbon hybridization is sp3. It is not benzene. Cyclic ring. Okay, cyclohexane like this. Cyclohexane, if you take instead of one hydrogen, you replace the hydrogen atom by halogen atom. It is become a allylic halides. This is the allylic halides. Is it clear? This is clear. So allylic halides means which the compounds which the halogen atom bonded to an sp3 hybridized carbon atom attached to a carbon-carbon double bond is called allylic halides. So allylic halides means this is the exams. Very very important, allylic halides. Okay. Next classification, benzylic halide. Benzylic halide. See classifications. Benzylic halide. So the compounds which the halogen atom bonded to an sp3 hybridized carbon atom and attached to aromatic ring. Very very important. Attached to carbon atom, attached to the ring. That ring should be aromatic ring. Aromatic ring. Aromatic ring is example is what? Benzene, basically. Benzylic halides. It is also very important. Benzylic, the compounds which the halogen atom is bonded to an sp3 hybridization carbon atom attached to the ring, aromatic ring. This is called also benzylic halides. See, this is benzene, CH2H. This is what? This is what? Benzylic halide. Benzylic halide. Benzylic halide. So the compounds which the halogen atom bonded to this carbon should be sp3 carbon atom, hybridized carbon atom, and attached to the ring. Ring means aromatic ring only. Already it is name itself. And the name itself only benzylic is there. Benzene thing is there. So benzylic halide. So this is called benzylic halide. So you can take this is also. So this primary benzylic halide, secondary benzylic halide. This primary, secondary benzylic halide. The halogen atom attached to how many carbon atom? Only one carbon atom. This halogen atom attached to sp3 carbon atom. This sp3 carbon attached to how many carbon atom? Only one carbon. That's why it is what? Primary benzylic halide. Very important. Halogen atom is attached to sp3 carbon atom. The sp3 carbon attached to how many carbon atom? Only one carbon. That's why it is primary benzylic. So like secondary benzylic halide also is there. See, CH3. Secondary benzylic halide. Halogen atom is attached to halogen atom attached to sp3 carbon only, but this carbon is attached to how many carbon atom? 1, 2. That's why it is secondary benzylic halide. Secondary benzylic halide. Is clear? Halogen atom, sp3 carbon atom, immediately next to aromatic ring, that is called benzylic halide. So in this benzylic halide class, primary benzylic halide, secondary benzylic halide. If halogen atom attached to sp3 carbon atom, and immediately one aromatic ring is there, benzylic halide. Benzylic, name is benzylic. Benzylic means benzene ring is present. Okay. And next one is tertiary benzylic halide. Same. Tertiary benzylic halide means what? Like this. CH3. Example generally. Halogen atom is sp3 carbon atom. This carbon attached to how many carbon? 1, 2, 3. That's why it is tertiary benzylic halide. So this is the benzylic halide compounds. So these all are alkyl halide and allylic halide, benzylic halide. Halogen is attached to which carbon atom? sp3 carbon atom. So this is the classification, main class, very very important. How to identify given compound is alkyl halide or allylic halide and benzylic halide. How to identify means this is the conditions. Is it clear? I hope you are understanding. So thank you.